Sometimes when you see an item for sale, you just have to buy it. Especially if it's the only time you've ever seen it for sale. Especially if you want it. So, that's what we did here. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the PEZBook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. Hey, I do know your name. Any and everything down below. Hey, thanks, Brian. All right. So, it's from my buddy Brian, and he, all right, has been getting rid of some of his Pez items, and I had, look at the tape. But I had to grab this item. As soon as I saw it, I said, that would make a great chapter in the PEZBook. There it is. Now, this is a keychain. Little promotional item, and you can see that it says PEZ on it. Very cool. And then you pull it like so, and then you can put your keys on it. But the thing is we need a key to put on this. Oh, I have an idea. What if we got a vending machine? And then we put the vending machine key on the PEZ Key Chain. All right. Now that we have the idea, now to find that vending machine. So until then, which may be next time.